Alright, time for a little unboxing. Let's check it out. Massive shout out to BikeCraze for letting me do this video here and for installing this bad boy for me. So these forks have been on back order from Jensen for over 5 months. So the fact that I got them is very exciting. Get rid of the stock RST. These are the forks that came stock on the 2018-2019 Sur Ron. Fork is RST Killa, and they were white, but I spray painted them black. So a lot of people think these were already upgraded forks, but they're stock, and they're great forks. But after a couple of years without maintaining them, it's definitely time for an upgrade. Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't.
Oh my god. That is sick. Look how sexy this is.
Okay. One thing I'm going to show you on this, check this out. So look how thick this is. It's almost this kind of quality is what you're looking at. Look at this weenie ass thing.
So massive shout out to an anonymous fan that reached out to me on Instagram and asked me, what forks do you want? And I said I want Marzocchi Bomber 58s, and he literally ordered these for me. They're about $1,000. I couldn't be more grateful. You can see they're considerably thicker than the stock. More robust. It's my favorite word. Time to throw these on. And while we're at it, installing the front forks, I'm also throwing on a new headset. This is a Cane Creek I got from Lunicycle, and I'm excited about this because pretty much ever since I got the bike, the headset's been really loose. Like if you hit the front brake, you can feel it moving around, which is scary coming down from a fast wheelie. Like in the back of my head, I'm always thinking the headset's about to explode and I'm gonna lose my front end. But so far so good. Excuse me, sir. Thank you.
Everything in the e-bike world takes forever.
Okay. And then just beautiful gifts.
Ooh, okay.
There we go. Club hands.
She goes. They treated me well.
Here, you go your hammer. Freedom. That's the greatest tool.
Atta boy. Oh boy. There we go. Let's get it. This is mean. Again, thank you so much to the anonymous fan that bought these forks for me. Couldn't have asked for a better gift. Wow. Chris, thank you so much. Go ahead, check out Chris's YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it in the description. Ooh, oh, it looks so good. Oh boy. Oh man. Out here with the Marzocchis. So I need to like adjust them to whatever the right amount is. Rear brake had no grip to it. Didn't hurt. Dude, I just looped it.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
the rear brake's got no grip to it.
You okay?
Dude, I just got it on camera. Look at that. No.
Oh, you got it.
Looped it.
We didn't touch your brakes, so I don't know what. You're kind
Dude,
of
that was weird as hell. Hold up. Whoa, feels like a different bike. Yeah, I just totally dumped it.
I promise, I did see a thing.
You were watching. I was hitting the brake, it just wasn't catching.
Yeah.